What's going on, guys? It's your girl E. You guys, I hope you all are well and able. And you know what? Today, you guys, I'm going to attempt to save you some time because, as we know, every moment is worth it. So, today, you guys, I will be showing you how to open the gas door on a 2016 Toyota Avalon. To be honest, you guys, it really tripped me out because I was looking all around like the dashboard area, I was looking by the steering wheel, on the door, below, by the seat, the floor panel, and it was like no luck. I really didn't know how to do it, and then I didn't see like a way to open it on my keychain or anything like that. So you guys, it is actually more simple than you think. All right, so let's do it. Alrighty, guys, so here's the key. You simply just need to open it here, but the only thing is you have to make sure your vehicle is not locked. So if your vehicle is locked, if the alarm is on or what have you, you will not be able to open it, you guys. So once you just unlock your vehicle, open sesame, you guys. Open sesame.
Need your coffee? Have no fear. Try
Ding,
my
ding,
banana
ding.
coffee smoothie.
That's it.
Smoothie and coffee in
That's enough to get me
Mixed
home.
Banana coffee.
All right, so that's all she wrote for today, you guys. Take care of yourselves, and remember, every moment's worth it. Peace.